I'm gonna take this hospital bed frame and make a tailgate out of it. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about? Like, that's gonna be the vertical right there. Watch. See, on a dump truck, board busted, but basically these things get stuck in there, and you gotta pry them out with a damn near crowbar or something, or get good leverage and pop them out when you have them like this. So I just want the back where I don't have to pop it up like that, because this is a dumping flatbed. So I want to put the hinges. I got these stupid trailer hinges. I'm gonna finagle these on the bottom somewhere like this, so I can dump this way, put them up here somewhere, dump this way, you know. And it's removable too. That'll be easier. My plan, originally I was gonna do it with wood, but I came across this, and this right here, I'm thinking is a vertical piece. It already has a hinge right here. Like, pop that out. And here, this would be the other, or like this, with the bottom hinge there. Now put these two side by side, and that almost lines up. So that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna bust this thing apart. Take these two pieces off, put them together, put the hinges on it, and there we go. We're gonna have a tailgate, removable tailgate with trailer pins. Just barely. I see the idea. I don't know what I should do with this other piece. I should just leave it in there for support. take this bracket on this side, put that here so they can lock up or drop down individually, or I could take this one off and put that here. It's like a reinforcement for the gate pins. Doesn't fit that hole down there that I wanted to use, but that's easy to drill out. Easy concept. Fold down. Lock on the sides. It's getting there. Brackets are making it easier. Didn't have this nub on them, I would have went a different way, but the drawback of this is that some stuff will get caught. Some stuff on the dump won't get caught in these little channels, but that's not the worst thing in the world. Whoop. In the way. Alright, so now you can see what I'm doing. I'm actually gonna just go get a regular pin for this. It'll be way easier because then I don't have to attach this to nothing. So regular pin through here, and then the bottom's removable. Pull it out, just like a cotter pin, little hitch pin type clip. This I'm gonna fasten, and boom. So like this. That's the idea. I can drop one or the other. Same thing, removing this one, fasten this one up here. Originally, I was gonna put these on the top and bottom so I can do it either way. But I like this thing so much for the hinge, basically, that I kept it. Originally, I was just gonna drill a hole in the wood and just make a hinge like that, but you see the concept. And the way this is, it's easy to put in little boards. If I want to put something solid in there, put plywood in there, it'll fit right in there, or I could put little boards, 1x6s or something cut. This one has this piece on it, which I didn't want to remove because it was going to take a lot of the strength away. But I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this piece. We'll figure that out once I get it all set up. But you get the idea. Alright, this is the... I need to put something right here. Just like a little hook or something. Your eyes on my... Some kind of little hinge. What is this? I had to bolt up the middle to stop it from flopping around because it was basically bowing back and forth like this, moving back and forth. So I had to bolt the two separate pieces together, but still separable. Which was the point. There's the board I was using. It's really annoying prying it out. Oh, yeah. It's just secure, ready to drive down the road just like this, eh? Man. I want to carry like rock or, you know, probably still have to stick a board in here. Use the stakes, put a board in the bottom, then maybe put a piece of plywood or something behind there so the weight's on the board. But definitely do with brush and all this other nonsense to help with that. And now I gotta paint it. We go black or green. Truck's gray. Flatbed's black. I don't know, black or green.